everybody, this week's topic is saving the planet and recycling. So the cooking activity today, we're going to use something we would normally throw away. Now maybe when you have your dinner and you're making a mashed potato, you would peel your potatoes and then you would throw your skins in the bin. But today we're going to use those skins and recycle them into a very healthy and tasty snack. So first of all, you will need your potatoes. You will need a peeler. Now there's two types of peeler I've got. This one and this one. You will need some oil if you want to use oil, or if you want to make it really healthy, a spray, which I'm going to use today. You will also need some mayonnaise and some garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic, or you can use the lazy garlic, or you can use the garlic granules in a little jar. So I'm going to use those today. You will need a little bowl and a spoon. You will also need a tray ready for the oven. So first of all, you'll have washed your hands and you'll have put an apron on ready, and then you're going to peel your potatoes. So if you want to peel nice long strips, so you can use the potatoes later for your tea. You can have them boiled or maybe mashed. So just keep peeling the potatoes until you've got lots of potato peel, like this. If it's tricky, maybe an adult can help you, because sometimes it's a little bit hard to do. So, you might need a couple of potatoes. I've used about 2 potatoes for this. So once you've peeled your potatoes, you need to get your tray, and then you're just going to, I'm going to spray the tray first, I think, just so it doesn't stick, and then I'm going to put on my peelings. So it's up to you how many you do. Just sprinkle them on. And then I'm going to put a little bit more spray on the top. Now you can add salt as well. You want a bit of salt on there, or a little bit of pepper. Now the oven is very hot because it's been heating up, and the oven is on at 180 degrees. So I'm going to put my oven gloves on to be safe. And then I'm going to take my... Now they usually take about 10 to 15 minutes, or depending on how crispy and golden that you like them. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, they'll be ready to come out of the oven. And here's some I made earlier. So can you see? They're like little crisps. And to make them taste even more delicious, we're going to just make a little dip. This is really simple. All you need is your little bowl and your spoon and a big blob of mayo. Lovely. And then a little bit of garlic. Be very careful, you don't want too much garlic. Just a little bit. And then give it a little stir. And then you have some garlic mayonnaise to go with your potato chips. Right, I'm going to try one of these. A nice big one. And I'm going to dip it in. Plenty of garlic. Delicious. A lovely little snack for you to make. Don't forget, when you're finished, you've got to clean up, wash the pots, and tidy up the kitchen. I hope you enjoy your snack, everybody. Bye.